Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Today I shall explain you about the Euclid's division lemma. What do you mean by Euclid's division lemma? In class 6, class 7, class 8 you have studied about it. Division algorithm. The new name is Euclid's division lemma. The lemma is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is known as Euclid's division lemma. Question number 4 from exercise 1.1. Question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Meaning that you have to show if square of any positive integer will be the form of either 3m or 3m plus 1. You have to show square of any positive integer will be 3m or 3m plus 1. You have to show. Understood the question? Question is square of any positive integer. For this, let us suppose a be a positive integer and b equal to 3. I have assumed as a is any positive integer. It may be dividend and b is divisor. This is dividend and b equal to 3 is divisor. I have assumed dividend a and b equal to 3 divisor. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is a, divisor is 3 and quotient is q plus remainder is r. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is a, 3 is divisor, q is quotient, r is remainder. Here value of r may be r equal to 1, 2 and 3. Because the divisor is 3, if divisor is 3, then the remainder should be always maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2. But never it will become 3. Because if you are dividing by 3 to 6 number, then it will go 2 times 6, remainder is 0. If you divide by 5 1 time, remainder will be 1. If you are divide 2, remainder is 2. If you divide 4, one time will go, remainder is 1. Remainder is 0, remainder is 2, remainder is 1. Remainder will never equal to 3. The value of r will be r equal to 0, 1, 2. Then a equal to, if I take r equal to 0, then 3 cube. If I am taking r equal to 1, then a equal to 3 cube plus 1. If I am taking r equal to 2, a equal to 3 cube plus 2. Understood? If I will take r equal to 0, then a equal to 3 cube because r is 0. If you take r equal to 1, then 3 cube plus 1 r equal to 1. And if you take r equal to 2, then a equal to 3 cube plus 2. Now I am going to square. I am going to square because it is said in the question, square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integer means I am squaring a square equal to 3q square. Then a square will be equal to 9q square. A square will be equal to 3 times 3q. Now I am going to square this. A square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. It will be 9q square plus 6q plus 1. A square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2ab means 2 into 3 into q into 1, 6q. I can write it as 3 common, then 3q square plus 2q plus 1. I am taking common only this term. And again I am going to square this. A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square equal to 9q square plus a square plus 2ab means 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 are 12. Q plus 2 square means 4. I am taking 3 common. 3q square plus 4q plus 4. I am adjusting it. 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. 3 multiplied 1 3 plus 1 4. 4 will be adjusted by 3 into 1 3 plus 1 3 and plus 1 plus 4. Therefore, it can be written as like this. Now this a square can be written as 3k1. Let us suppose this is k1. This square can be written as 3k2. This is k2 plus 1. And a square equal to, this can be written as 3 k3 plus 1. This is k3. Then we can say that a square of any positive number can be written as these positive numbers, either 3m or 3m plus 1. Understood? square of any positive integer can be retained in the form of either 3m or 3m plus 1. This is 3m, this is 3m plus 1. Prove